We're going to solve two practical problems. One about finding the best price when comparison shopping, and another about calculating percentage loss with discount codes. Let's start with our first problem. A homeowner needs 88 square meters of lawn for their garden. They've researched several companies and want to find which one offers the best total price, including delivery. They've found 4 different companies that sell lawn. The Garden Shack charges $1.20 per square meter with a $12 delivery fee. MyGarden.com sells lawn and rolls, where each roll covers 4 square meters and costs $4.75, with a delivery charge of $10.25. Garden and Beyond charges $1.40 per square meter with free delivery. And finally, Mr. Turner's Garden Supplies charges $1.22 per square meter, with a delivery fee of $5 per 50 square meters or part thereof. Let's calculate the total price for each company, starting with Garden Shack. Since they need 88 square meters at $1.20 per square meter, the cost of the lawn is 88 multiplied by 1.20, which is $105.60. Then we add the $12 delivery fee. This gives a total of $117.60. Next, let's calculate for mygarden.com. First, we need to figure out how many rolls we need. Since each roll covers 4 square meters, and we need 88 square meters total, we divide 88 by 4, which gives us 22 rolls. At $4.75 per roll, the lawn will cost 22 multiplied by 4.75, which equals $104.50. Adding the delivery fee of $10.25, we get a total of $114.75. For Garden and Beyond, the lawn costs 88 square meters multiplied by $1.40 per square meter, which is $123.20. Since delivery is free, the total is also $123.20. Finally, for Mr. Turner's Garden Supplies, the lawn costs 88 square meters at $1.22 per square meter, which equals $107.36. For the delivery, they charge $5 per 50 square meters or part thereof. Since we need 88 square meters, we'll be charged for 2 50 square meter portions, totaling $10 for delivery. This gives us a total of $117.36. Now that we've calculated the total cost for all 4 companies, let's compare them side by side. Garden Shack's total is $117.60. MyGarden.com's total is $114.75. Garden and Beyond's total is $123.20. And Mr. Turner's total is $117.36. Based on our calculations, MyGarden.com offers the best price at $114.75. Now let's move on to our second problem. A company sells products online and offers a 20% discount code. When a customer uses this discount code, you as a referrer get a 10% bonus based on what the customer pays. The company wants to know what percent of the original price they lose when a customer uses the discount code. To solve this problem, let's work with a specific example. Let's say the original price is $100. After applying the 20% discount, the customer pays $80, which is 80% of the original price. Next, you receive a 10% bonus based on what the customer pays, which is 10% of $80 or $8. This means the company keeps $80 minus $8, which equals $72. Therefore, the company's loss is the original price of $100 minus what they keep, $72, resulting in a loss of $28. As a percentage of the original price, that's 28 divided by 100, multiplied by 100%, which equals 28%. We can also solve this problem algebraically, using variables instead of specific numbers. Let's say the original price is P. After the 20% discount, the customer pays 80% of P. Your bonus is 10% of what the customer pays, which is 10% of 80% of P, or 8% of P. So the company keeps 80% of P minus 8% of P, which equals 72% of P. The company's loss is P minus 72% of P, which equals 28% of P. Therefore, the company loses 28% of the original price. In conclusion, we've solved two practical math problems today. For the first problem, We found that mygarden.com offers the best price for 88 square meters of lawn at $114.75. For the second problem, we calculated that when a customer uses the 20% discount code and you get a 10% referral bonus, the company loses 28% of the original price. Thanks for watching, and I hope these explanations helped you understand how to approach these types of problems.